This is the shur on Tefila. We finished Letziun. Now we are by Letziun Goy. Right after Shemon Esrei, say Ashte, then say Letziun. What is this two pesukim? First, we start before saying Kedusha, that they were taken Kedusha to say over here, Kadosh Kadosh, and we're going to be talking about what's the reason that they were Mekadesh. We'll be taking Kedusha again, even though that we said Kedusha two times. One we said with Yotzer, one said Kedusha, and then again over here we say Kedusha. Some say because those times they made a gezerah for Kahal Israel not to say Kadosh. And once they davened, they prayed Shemon Esrei and Lahash, they felt it's over, they're going to go home. And they came out from the ambush and let the Israel be. They were metaken that we say Kedusha at that time, and even though that the gezerah was bottled, nowadays we don't have such a thing, but they kept it. Always that we say like that, it means something much deeper. In other words, this is what the gezerah was, and the gezerah going were not to take our weapons, we got Kedusha and Kadosh. That they understood. To take away weapons from Kahal Israel is to take away the Kedusha. And we want to everybody, every Jew to say that, to indicate that even the Goyim realize what's the source of the power by Kahal Israel. The real source and the power, even the Goyim realized it's not the weapon and the army and the soldier. The real power is the Kedusha that Kahal Israel said. Now, before saying Kedusha, they were taken to say two pesukim from Yeshaya Hanav. The pesukim says, Uba Letziun Goel, and shall come to Zion Goel, the Redeemer, Ushav Yaakov. And those who return back, those who return from the sin in Yaakov, know Hashem, says Hashem. There was this passage about the Redeemer. Redeemer would come to Zion and Shavesh. Now, what's the difference between Zion and Shavesh? And the Hashem say, Zion means Elit, like Machzeh Shnato Letziun. But our return like to Zion. Zion are people that they live around the Hamikdash, and they are very Elit. Their life is Torah. Everything is Torah. That's why Machzeh Shnato Letziun. The Redeemer would come for Zion and Shavesh. Shavesh means those who return Shuvah. Those who return to HaKadosh Baruch Hu and did Shuvah. And here we are talking about the Redeemer. It's not only for those that are elite and always were tzaddikim, even those that they were shayim and they did sin. And the Gemara says that the makom the Baal Shua Omer, in other words, part of the redeeming of the Kahal Israel depends on the teshuva of Kahal Israel. That teshuva is mitorah the Geula to come. Therefore, Hashem says. Now, right after the Geula, we see a passage that talks about this is my covenant with them. Hashem says, Ruchi Ashalecha, my spirit that's under you, Udvarai, and my words that I put in your mouth, which means Torah, they should not depart from your mouth and the mouth of your children, offspring, and the mouth of the offspring of your offspring. Hashem says, from now till forever. The Gemara learns us from this passage that if we keep Torah, grandfather and the father and grandson, 3 generations, then it's a haftacha that everybody would keep Torah, as from this passage. Now, this passage is talking about the fact that Hakadosh Baruch Hu gave us the spirit over us. Why? Because we have Torah, the sechut of Torah. Therefore, at the end of the Tefila, we are saying that we are davening and praying for Geula. Now, the passage in Yeshaya Hanavi said, you want Geula? How does the Geula come about? Through Torah. That's why there is a Siman Shulchan Aruch that Aruch says, Yotze mibet HaKnesset nichnas b'Beit HaMikdash. Person goes out from Beit HaKnesset and goes to Beit HaMikdash to learn Torah. Somebody who learns and prays and learns every day, that guarantees the Geula. The Geula comes when a person makes his program scheduled in a way that right early in the morning, right before starting the job, before anything, person would learn, doesn't matter how much, but even a little bit, to learn and start the day. That would be the zechut and the merit to bring the Geula. They were right after davening and praying. We asked HaKadosh Baruch Hu, Hashem, Uba Letziun Goel, that the Goel should come to Kahal Israel, and which zechut and merit would be merit of Torah, to remind us that if we want to have the Geula and Redeem of HaKadosh Baruch Hu, we have to make a schedule of learning Torah right after davening. Just like Shulchan Aruch says, from the Beit HaKnesset, you go to the Talmid and learn Torah.